In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to Dropbox. Whether you're sharing work documents, school projects, or just backing up personal photos, learning to navigate and use Dropbox can simplify your digital life. Let's dive into the process step by step to get you confidently uploading files in no time. First up, you're going to need to visit Dropbox's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.dropbox.com in the address bar. When the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page of Dropbox, where the journey to uploading your file begins. Now, to access your account and start uploading files, click on the Login button typically located in the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your Dropbox account, so make sure you're ready with your account details. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take your time to enter your email correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in logging in. Once you've entered your email, you'll need to proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. This is a crucial step for your account's security, so ensure that you type in your password accurately. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. There's usually a link to reset it. After entering your password, hit the Login button to access your Dropbox account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start uploading. Navigate to the Files section of your account. You can usually find this in the sidebar or through the navigation menu at the top of the page. This section is where all the magic happens, where you can manage all your files and folders stored in Dropbox. In the Files section, look for the Upload button, which might also be represented by an icon. This is your next step towards uploading your files to Dropbox. Click on this and you'll see options for uploading. You can either drag and drop your files directly into the browser window, or click to select the file manually from your computer. If you're going with the manual route, clicking on Files after choosing the upload option will open a file browser on your computer. Here, navigate through your folders and files to find the specific file you wish to upload to Dropbox. Once you find it, select it and confirm your choice. The upload will begin automatically after your selection. And that's pretty much it. Once your file has been selected, Dropbox will upload it to your account. You'll see the upload progress, and once complete, your file will now be securely stored in your Dropbox account. From here, you can organize it within folders, share it with others, or access it from any device where you're logged into your Dropbox account. A few tips to enhance your Dropbox uploading experience. Double check your internet connection before uploading large files to avoid any interruptions. Use the Dropbox desktop or mobile app for a more seamless uploading experience, especially if you find yourself using Dropbox frequently. Consider organizing your files into folders from the get-go, which makes managing your files much easier as you continue to use Dropbox. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of uploading files to Dropbox. This skill will undoubtedly come in handy in various scenarios, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you navigate and use Dropbox, the more proficient you'll become at managing your digital files efficiently.